I hope everything's great for all of you. So what we have for today is a bag from ta-da! So I'm gonna do the unboxing for all of you. Let's open this thing together, as I want you to see what I have. So here, let's gonna open this together so it's all sealed. I got a box, of course, from my favorite brand. All right, so let's see how this goes. I'm scared. So this is it. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what's inside the box. Wow. All right. So first things first. Ta-da. All right. Let's gonna open this one first. So, see what's this. All right. What's this exactly? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah! Ta-da! It's a hoodie. Let me read it. So, it's a road packable jacket. It's a dark currant. All right, so here is the details of the hoodie. So cute. I love the color. It's so, and I think this one's new here, like a breathable thingy at the back of the underarm. Cute. So this is the first, and another thing is, ta-da! Alright, so I'm not sure if it's the same color with what I had previously, but let me check it without the case. I know, so it's kind of like my one is like a neon orange, but this one is dark pink clay, right? It's a road compression bra, and this time I changed it to medium. So as the last unboxing I had a small one, okay, but this time I changed it to medium. You know, we're growing. All right, so next. Ooh la la. All right, so let's gonna have this one first. Wow, the colorway is so amazing. This is the leggings. Amazing. Look at the back. Look at the detail. And again, look at that detail. You know what this is? The reflector. You know, I think I had the black one of this as well. Let me check. Yeah, it's the road type or high waist type. I had the black one like this, and it's so good. I love the compression and the breathable holes at the back of your knee. It's very helpful. So I got this in a different colorway. Okay, so it's a dark currant. It's so cute. Now I have two of this, one like this and one black. And it's really amazing type, because it's very, like what I said, it had a good compression, and there's a pocket at the back, and here you can put your towel, or you can hook something from here at the back, and also side pockets for your cell phones or your gels when running, or whatever that you have carrying with you during your runs. Important necessities, or the necessities that you are bringing to your runs. So mostly car keys, card, and oh, another thing. Wow, oh wow. All right, I got excited. So, oh yeah. So this is so cute. Loves the color. Look at that. A razorback. Really cute. So this is the road tank. It's a lemongrass running for women, and I love the details at the back. It's a razorback thing, and I can't wait to fit it. Ooh. And another thing is this. I'm so happy that they gave the two kinds this time. So one shirt, amazing, and then one razor tank. Yeah. So whichever that suits you or comfortable running with. Usually when I go trail, I love to do or wear the tank top because it's kind of a secluded area, so kind of like you're running alone in the mountains, in trails. But if road, of course, I have to wear a t-shirt. So this is a really good one that I have both this time, and hopefully I'll do that again soon. I love the back here. Yeah, it's kind of like a screen type and breathable, and also dry feet, you know. And I love the color. It's so cute. So that's for not yet. We have the very, very, very important thing to unbox. Ta-da! Let's see what's this. I'm so excited. Look at that! Oh my god! So you guys see, I want to show you first what's this. Okay, so this is the Gel-Kayano 32. Alright, so it's the Gel-Kayano 32 up here. And it's the latest of the Gel-Kayano. Alright, let me just pause that one. Alright, so look at the details of the shoe. Yeah, the color, the back. I can't wait to try. And this is my second ASICS shoes that is majority color is white, and I love the combination. It's so, like, you know, earthy thing. The colorway is so nice. Yeah. And so this is it. I can't wait to try this and tell you what my review about it. And you can also find this more on my Instagram. I'm gonna post it there as well. So my socials, usually I put things there. So that's it. And I can't wait to try it on. Thank you for watching me. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Until next time, Yeah, so I'm gonna put the details on my description below if you want to get this one and find more short reels or shorts on my Instagram or TikTok. Thank you. Bye.